Welcome to Active People, Healthy Arkansas. My name is Miranda, and today I'm going to show you dance fitness with Jazzercize. So let's get started. We're going to start warming up, head first, side to side. I don't mean to speak this up but the way you move is perfect. Now we're going to look right and left. You look just like you fell down from the sky. You're on another level, and you got something. All right, shoulders, hold it. It's in that pattern of 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna stretch it, right arm over, pull it through, lean it back. Stretch it over, pull it through, lean it back. Let's do it again. One more time. We're gonna touch it, right and left. You could turn it into a ball change, shifting the feet side to side. Last one, feet apart. We're gonna slide the ribs. We're warming up the core now. Pull those abs in. Now we're gonna release and contract, stretching the spine, warming up the abs. Slide again. Already we're breathing a little bit. Heart rate's coming up a little bit. Let's stretch it over. Lean it back. Stretching the hip flexors. Again. One more time. Let's touch right and left. We can turn it into a ball change. Keep it going. Now we're going to do a hamstring stretch. Arms come down, stretch it over, round it up. Do it again, touch. Hamstring, down, round it up. Feet apart, we're going down to the hips. Here we go, move it. Hold. Warming up the legs. We're gonna sit in 3s. 1, 2, and hold. Sitting into the heels, pushing to the floor. And touch. You can turn it into that ball change. You can press the hip. Hold it there. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you on the dance floor. For more dance fitness with me, try my extension video on the Active People, Healthy Arkansas YouTube channel. Thanks for dancing with me. You look just like you fell down from the sky. You're on